This right here is my BMW e36 328i, and I'm gonna toss on a Dinan intake. But I already have this intake on the car, and it looks excellent. The Dinan intake comes with a few parts. Mind you, this is not a install video. I'm just showing you what the intake looks like and what the intake sounds like. So this is what most installs will look like, unless you take it to a dealer or you just want to do it fully yourself. But a lot of the videos I've seen and the way I installed it is you just clamp it on after you take your airbox out. The airbox will bolt here and here along with this, so you can just take this out as well. The airbox will pop out and all the ducting. Then you clamp this up. This was cut a little bit shorter for this intake to fit a little bit better, but right now I have the longer intake boot, normal MAF Dinan intake. I cut this boot here a little bit shorter. I chose the carbon. There's the metal option, but I chose the carbon because I have a lot of carbon already on my car, and I have the intake down into the wheel well where it's supposed to go. You will see on your car that there's actually an indent for these intakes, right? So it'll go right down in there, fit really snug with the sock, with the intake filter, and there is a metal piece that goes there. I do not have that because the intake doesn't really go anywhere, so you don't necessarily need to put it on. It's a matter of keeping it more steady and blocking out any hot air that may come from the engine. But it is already down there, so there's not much hot air that's gonna get there in the first place. While I was doing all the carbon, I made some carbon brake ducts, cut it up a little bit, and made a nice little inlet for the air right in there. So my brake duct is rectangular, but it's not fully rectangular in like you do normal brake ducts. It's cut so the air will go in and up. Believe it or not, the intake's right here, all the way down there, right? Rather than all the way up here, it's right above the fog light. Right, so those of you who have the car, you're gonna notice a couple of things. The number one thing you're gonna notice first off is the stock intake is very quiet. So once you get past around 3,000, this intake starts to scream, and especially on full throttle, this thing is almost like its own exhaust. That's how loud this thing can get on full throttle. Let's have a listen. This thing really sounds good. The only way to really hear it and really get the grasp of the different aspects and the different tones that this intake gets is to get it yourself. It's one of the best on the market. And it's not the most expensive either. So, if you're looking for an intake, get Dinan. It's the Dinan difference. Hope you enjoyed the video. Team Eureka, signing out.